Hey everyone, namaste. How are you? It's the end of our first week, and I'm just wondering how you're feeling. A lot of you I've heard from this week, and it's just been so great to get your emails with your little notes of concern or your excitement or gratitude. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing. And also, thank you so much for sharing the recipes that you have on Facebook and through the emails together. Thank you. Thank you so much of us taking care of ourselves. Like, here we go. Okay, cooking is one thing. I'm wondering how else you've shown self love this week. If you've decided to take a bath. If yesterday I cleaned my house, I was like, I donned those yellow gloves and got down behind toilets and was like scrubbing, and it just felt so good to clean out. So, as we clean out the body, it's very natural for the cleaning out and the organization to go beyond our bodies. You may find yourself cleaning out drawers or cleaning behind toilets, like I just said. Maybe cleaning out your car, things like that, things that have just become cluttered. So as we clean the body, we cleanse the body, we're cleansing the mind, and there is a ripple effect there. And when we take time to share love for ourselves or show love for ourselves and affection, kindness, it begins to, that too begins to ripple out. And we begin to show kind gestures toward others, maybe buying a drink, a coffee, a tea for somebody that you work with, just out of the goodness of your heart, maybe letting somebody um, in a crowded lane when they show up at a red light, or just notice where the kindness is also seeping out and in which direction that's heading. Is it heading toward your children? Is it heading toward your partner? It's just really interesting when we start to love ourselves, how incredible that ripple effect is and how it moves outward. So, thank you for sticking with this program for your first week. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Sunday. I know Sunday it's a holiday weekend. Some of you have expressed that you want to stay home due to this program, and a couple of you have told me that you're going to be out of town. So we may have a smaller group on Sunday, but still looking forward to seeing you. And I've got great information to share with you on Sunday. We're going to get deep into our psyche, into our minds, and figure out some good stuff. I also wanted to let you know it's kind of awesome that you're my group right now, because you're getting a heads up on my next program. My next workshop that I'm doing is for Valentine's Day. And so it might be the two of you doing it together, but what we do is we learn how to make mala beads. And of course, this is the one time that I'm not wearing one. But the mala beads are 108 beads strung together. And I've done this program, or I've done this workshop, I think 3 times now at Kindness Yoga. I'm changing it up a little bit this year. Sarita is my friend who co-led my trip to Nepal. She's a Nepali woman who owns Tibet Imports on Clarkson and 6th. And she brings in all of these beads. And this one particular workshop is geared toward, I don't want to keep saying workshop because it's more of a party, but it's geared toward mending a broken heart, healing, opening, and receiving love. So all of these beads are going to be heart chakra driven, and we will have a party. So there will be meditation, and we will put the beads together into our beautiful custom necklaces. You actually get to choose the beads that you want to work with and the beads that you want to string together for your own mala, or if you want to make one for a beloved friend. And then we're going to be having appetizers and snacks and desserts. There's going to be music and dancing. There's going to be Vedic astrology readings that each one of you can have. And you get to go home with a workbook this time on the history of the malas and those particular stones, along with various other guided meditations written down for you. And so I'm super excited because we're going to start putting it out there. It's going to be at the same place that you're in right now, Urban Sanctuary. And so due to the space being so small, Some people will want to be on the floor, stringing their malas together on the floor. Some people find that very uncomfortable, so I will have tables and chairs this time too. But a small amount, but I wanted to give you guys the heads up so that you can get registered first if you want to join us. It's going to be Friday night, um, February 9th from 6 to 9 p.m. So a Friday night out on the town, and instead of doing your typical Valentine's dinner, it's something very unique and very fun to do together. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your Friday, and I will see you this Sunday. Om Shanti. Namaste.